So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some crispy salmon skin. And I yesterday removed my salmon skin from my salmon. I've got two pieces here. I've already cut one. And there are some great videos on YouTube to show you how to do this. I am no expert by any means. This was actually my first time doing it. So you can see I kind of, missed some spots with some of the meat of the salmon on here. So what I'm going to do is I've got a pan heating up on about medium with some neutral oil in it, and then I'm going to toss this in there for about 5 minutes and let it sear and let it get really crispy. And then I'm going to serve it on some bread with avocado and a poached egg.
So I did want to show you how I cut up the salmon skin and, talk about the bread that I had here. But that footage got lost. I guess it didn't record. And so instead you can watch me aggressively butter some of this really great rustic levain from Rise Up Bakery in Jacksonville, Oregon, which is a local bakery here in Jackson County. And this bread is really, really good. So if you ever have the chance to get it, I highly recommend it. All right, here we have our finished product, and this is the bread topped with avocado, crispy salmon skin, and a poached egg, seasoned with a bit of black pepper, salt, and smoked paprika. And this just made for a really great breakfast. It was filling and really tasty and pretty quick to make as well.